Upgrading the Minecraft boat. This is a regular boat, and if you craft a boat in another boat, obviously nothing's gonna happen. Wait, a large oak boat? So now we got a boat that could fit up to 3 passengers, which means we could kidnap 2 villagers at once. But why stop there when you can take a boat that's crafted in a boat and place it in another boat? Am I making sense here? Basically, the more boats you place in a boat, the longer it gets. And there isn't really a limit here. So by making an auto-crafted contraption just like this one right here, we can create a boat that's, well, the length of a country. Yeah, this took about 2 hours to make. But hey,